Inward Topis Snare. First step. Put your upper lip behind your lower lip. Second step. Hold this position and make a suction effect by inhaling between your upper lip and your lower lip. The middle of your upper lip needs to be on the inner part of your lower lip. Third step. Lift your bottom lip downwards while releasing the pressure. Bonus step. You can stick the tip of your tongue behind your lower teeth to vary the sonority. Job done. You can now freestyle with your new sound.
Yep.